Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of road tripping across Thailand in the series Phuket to Chiang Mai road trip. In this video, we are going to cover our third day in Chiang Mai, and this day was going to be very special. The day started with me getting ready in a beautiful dress, taking a round around the property because it looked so beautiful all over the place. Weather was as usual so nice. Went on the Infinity Bridge which was provided in the property to take the beautiful view of the place. And the day was extra happy because today was the day of the Lantern Festival, for which specially we had come here for. The plan was simple: going downhill towards the city, have a good lunch or breakfast, walked around, explored the city. The weather was good. Unlike other cities in Thailand full of craziness, this place has a sense of calm in its air and you could feel it instantly. Chiang Mai is surrounded by mountains unlike any other place in Thailand and is rich in cultural heritage. So after spending the afternoon around the city, we had finally arrived to our destination event. The name of this event was Yi Peng Lana International 2025. So after paying the amount for the candidate participation ticket, we had been given this ID card to keep with us as a reference of the event. Launching lanterns in the sky on this particular holy day has been a tradition for a long time, and a lot of communities and organizations make this kind of events so that people can come, join and enjoy the event and experience the whole thing. Right after entering the venue, which was quite big, we were assisted by fellow candidates who helped us towards our seats. So after being seated, we were provided these candles to light up the diyas in front of us. After the diyas were lit, there was a parade of monks chanting prayers. We were assisted to stand quietly and listen to the prayers. Following with that, we were provided with 2 lanterns each. There were a few more prayer practices on the stage where all the monks were gathered. After all the prayers were done, we were told to slowly start lighting up our lanterns and start launching them in the sky together with the countdown. Launching the Thai lanterns, or Khom Loi in Thai language, is a tradition. The main purpose of releasing these Khom Lois in the sky is to remove misfortunes, past worries and bad luck, symbolically carrying away sins while sending prayers for good health, new beginnings and prosperity in the coming year. With a slow prayer background music, everyone was releasing their lanterns in the sky, wishing on prayers, holding on hopes for a better future. It felt so happy and peaceful with all those people coming together as a community at the same place to practice such a beautiful tradition. I thank God for having me experience such a beautiful thing in life. The event was being held at a really rural area with nothing around and a really big space, so that all the lanterns that flowing up in the sky doesn't cause any hazard and come down instantly, and everything was being cleaned up immediately right after the event. There was a bright full moon in the night sky because the celebration is being held on the first full moon of the Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year is Chinese New Year, but Chinese tradition has been followed in Thailand for a long time because both the traditions have their roots connected and it goes way back. After the lantern releasing was done, they finally started with the fireworks show, and literally the sky was filled with colorful fireworks for around 15 to 30 minutes, and it was such a beautiful view in front of our eyes which is unexplainable. Oh, and the fireworks are not a part of a tradition though, they're just done to enhance the joyous and festive atmosphere. So, after experiencing such a beautiful event, finally it was time for us to head back home. And on our way out, we were greeted by these adorable kids, and it was such a thing to remember. This was it for our third day in Chiang Mai, and stay tuned for episode 4. Hope you all liked the video, so do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such offbeat travel vlogs. Thank you.